Hello.
It's Sunday, so that means we are going on a trip as every weekend, or at least we try to. And today we are literally going to Paradise because there is a naturreservat or something half an hour south of Stockholm, and that is actually called Paradise or Paradiset.
Yep.
So that's where we're going today. So we have a situation now. We are here at the Naturreservat. Oh, cars coming. We had a situation at the Paradise because apparently a lot of people are aware of the Paradise here, and there were so many cars and more cars coming to the parking lot, so there was no chance to actually get a spot, and all around here is full of cars or you're not allowed to park. So we thought instead of just standing there and waiting the whole Sunday until we get a parking lot, we're gonna go to another Naturreservat because there are so many around this area. I think at least 10, 15, 20. And we found another one that's called Orlången Nature. So let's see if we can get parking there. Apparently we're going this way here. Apparently Naturreservat, but here it says, oh, fun. Let's take the one where it says Naturreservat. Let's be crazy. Here, look at this, parking. You're home, and it's another one, I think, but still, we have a parking lot.
That works.
What is it? It is Huddinges. Nee, it is Orlången. Okay, cool. Let's park. So we have left the Naturreservat, and yeah, it was nice, but there was not really, or at least we didn't really found the path. Could also just be our own stupidity, most likely. We didn't really find a path, so it was not so enjoyable to walk there. But yeah, I've been out for, I don't know, half an hour, 40 minutes maybe. And yeah, now we're on our way back home, but we stopped at the Ulriksdals Slottsträdgård, which is here in Solna, and it's really nice. We've been here last summer. I've been here a couple of times actually, and they have a super nice cafe and a gardening part where you can buy plants and flowers. And yeah, but the cafe is amazing because they have cake with flowers on top you can eat. So I hope they're gonna have some so I can show you. back at the car. This was a very different Sunday from what we have expected. From wanting to go to Paradiset Naturreservat and spend the day there to going to another Naturreservat. Only spent there like half an hour and then going to the Ulriksdals, what is it? Garden?
Flower home.
Plant place. Yeah, but that was nice. We had some Fika and actually got some flowers and some pots that I've been looking for a while that have the right size for my windowsill kind of situation that I'm working on. So yeah, was it a good day?
It's gonna look good at home.
I'm gonna be like you. I'm gonna say ending the vlog. Bye.